Welcome to Business Reporter's Industrial Innovation Campaign. I'm Rachel Hicks. From controlling costs and reducing capital expenses to smoothing workflows and reducing carbon footprints, every day can bring new operational headaches for businesses to grapple with. Digital transformation is a common topic that comes up when organisations look to solve these problems. But a true organisational transformation is a process, and companies are often at varying stages. So what does a successful digital transformation look like? This is what we're going to find out from Matt Powers from Wesco and David Smilesback from Eaton. Matt, David, welcome to Business Reporter's Industrial Innovation Campaign. Digital transformation is a buzzword. Everybody is talking about it. Many organisations claim that they're doing it. But what is it?
Digital transformation is about outcomes. At the end of the day, that's what customers are after. They're not after the technology as much, they're after the outcomes, and the technology will deliver those outcomes. If you think about history, we started with analog technologies. Analog technologies were very reactive in nature, and digital transformation allows a progression in how we see those outcomes and how we get insights to different problems that we have within our business. So we go from a reactive sense to proactive to predictive to prescriptive. We want these digital systems to tell us what's going on and how to fix the problem. That is true digital transformation.
And it's really a process of leveraging new technology and digital tools to increase operational efficiencies, capture data and insights to drive value and results against corporate goals and initiatives. Effectively deploying and planning around digital transformation will allow a customer to increase productivity, expand the life of equipment, reduce non-productive labor, and even offer some new revenue streams. Combining those outcomes will allow a company to differentiate themselves and possibly have a competitive advantage in the market.
So what you've described must surely inspire any leader to take action, yet many organisations are struggling with the transformation. Why is that?
There's no doubt industrial executives have prioritized digital transformation, but it is a challenge. And the number one challenge that our customers have is the complexity of digital transformation. It's not a single person, it's not a single team, it's an organization that has to come together to do a digital transformation. And it has to come from the top down.
Digital transformation is a journey. As a leader, you need to build organizational goals and objectives that incorporate some level of digital outcome. Those goals and objectives need to connect with traditional tasks and requirements connected to strategic initiatives and financial objectives. With that, you can generate the vision and mission throughout the organization around digital excellence and execution.
So we need to manage an interdisciplinary change and keep our eyes on the business outcomes. How does the Wesco-Eaton collaboration contribute to this?
Wesco and Eaton have been working together for decades. We have, through the years, built numerous platforms and solutions. We've built a very diversified portfolio of products. We also have the ability to help our customers build turnkey solutions. When you look at digital transformation in industrial environments, through our advisory services, we have engineers that can work with our customers and build the solution from the edge all the way back to the platform.
And as a vendor for Wesco, Eaton has established a digital platform called BrightLayer. Within BrightLayer is an industrial suite of solutions to access data, capture insights, and provide operational efficiency, outcomes, and value to our customers. An example of where Wesco and Eaton have collaborated is simply working with an industrial in a harsh environment where they already have electrical equipment installed, applying sensors around temperature and humidity, installing them with our teams, and having data readily available on an iPhone or a mobile device to gather 24/7 monitoring remotely of that piece of equipment. That has allowed that industrial user to enhance their productivity, not worry about that piece of electrical equipment, and allow them to focus in other areas of their facility, a small pilot that could be scaled across their facility.
You've described digital transformation previously as a journey. Can you give us an example? What does this journey look like?
The journey with us and our customers starts with ideation, right? We first focus on who the key stakeholders are, and we bring them together in a workshop. And we ideate. We understand what their pain points are, what their challenges are, where they want to build operational efficiencies, and we start to define use cases. Once we define the use cases with our customers, what we do is prioritize those use cases. And then we focus on what use cases we can turn into solutions, leveraging technology from sensors to communications to a platform, leveraging AI, machine learning. We take all those technologies together to create a realization for the customer.
To support this initiative, as Matt outlined, within the Eaton organization, we have expanded our resources with application engineers and solution architects that have that digital skill set, that have joined us from other segments and industries to help augment our selling organization to support Wesco and our customers through site walkthroughs, audits, building out communication diagrams, to build that confidence within the customer that our solutions will actually deliver the outcomes and results they're looking for.
So what's the biggest takeaway that industrial leaders should remember before starting that digital transformation?
Your digital journey is never going to end. You need a solution that's going to scale with you as your needs change, as your customers' needs change, as your employees' needs change.
I would say first and foremost, you're not alone. Many people are struggling with how to execute and deliver digital outcomes and even solutions. As we discussed, it's a journey, and every solution is different. Look within your organization to start with. You have been successful delivering the products and services today. You have assets, you have technology within that equipment. How can you go back and digitize and look at those assets and figure out a way on how to improve productivity, efficiency, reduce non-productive labor, and really contribute to your corporate initiatives? And lastly, we can help. There's solutions that are out there. We have technology. We're typically already there electrifying your facilities. So reach out to Wesco and Eaton.
This was Matt Powers from Wesco and David Spiedelsback from Eaton.